What's poppin', chef? In today's video, we'll be turning Backpack into a Jersey Club remix. Now before we start, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. This song's by Flo Milli. I'm gonna play you it.
Backpack, 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 backpack. On the backpack, loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for
Flo
you.
Milli said, keep talking shit, it can get lit. You know I'm petty, don't try me, little bitch. I'm bougie and rich, tell her get off my clip. This whole thing I'm playing, do I look like a kid? Pull out that chopper, bitch, let's make a hit. I'm peeping her out, number one on my list. Red beam in the dark, when I aim, I don't miss. Don't open your lip, cause I just might reach in my backpack. I snowed on my wrist, I got some new drip, plenty racks in my new Gucci backpack. Ain't no telling what's up in my backpack, backpack. Say he wanna tap that, give him my Snapchat.
So as you can see, I already loaded it up to Slice X. So I want to take that intro right here and drop that in here. Time stretch it. Set the mode to stretch. Track it. Now, taking this part. And now I want to add some melodies behind it. So I chopped up the song and I added some Jersey Club elements, and this is what I have.
Backpack, 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 backpack. On the backpack, loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for
Flo
you.
Milli said,
And I'm gonna show you what I did. So I added some melodies here and I played them. I have these two muted, but and for the next pattern, I have this. And for the third pattern, I have this. And if you're wondering what these two sound like, it sounds like this. You know, all of them sound like this. I'm gonna let you guys, play around, add on to it as an open collab. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Comment below on what you want to see next.